If you're looking to go electric in style and just need to go to work or a couple of places, guess what? Check out the new Fiat 500e. Yes, rose gold is the color. Very stylish. Now, it is fully electric. We have an 8-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty on the electrical powertrain and also on the batteries. The styling is great. Also, little nod to our Italian roots right there on the front fender. 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyears. Now, inside, I believe this is vegan-friendly leather. Oh yeah, Fiat stitched in right here. Now, our center console has USB hubs, both A and C, 12 volts of power, our different E modes for driving. Also, our volume control for the radio is right there. Plenty of leg room, push button on the shifting, all of our climate controls, digital center stack here for all of our apps and everything. Also, full digital cockpit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and flat bottom, kind of sporty there. And yes, this thing can go. Now, it has a 160-mile range. We can seat 4 comfortably and have room in the back for all of our cargo needs. And also, it does have a tire accessory kit. So come on home to Payne Alfa Romeo FIAT of the Rio Grande Valley for the new 2024 Fiat 500e in rose gold. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.